Hi, I'm Wilson from the cover page. While we love our friends and to be in touch, WhatsApp groups can be a bit intrusive. Hence, try to close your WhatsApp group at least an hour after class. Here's how we get this done. You are going to identify the group that you want to close. Here, we'll be closing this group, Tensai Students Only. Double click on the group. Move on over the top right of your page, and you're going to be clicking on these three little dots here. It says menu. Double click on the dot, then select group info. Scroll on down to group settings. Then you're going to be selecting send messages. Double click on send messages. Usually the default is all participants. You're going to be selecting only admin. Then you're going to confirm. Then you want to get back out of the group, out of this menu. Here we go. And if you look to the bottom of your page, you will see a message. You allowed only admin to send messages to this group. Now the following day you want to open the group. You are going to identify the group. You are going to move on over to the button at the top right hand corner of the page. Select group info. Move on down to group settings. Select send messages. And again, you're going to be selecting all participants and confirm. Having done that, all the participants, including the admin, will be able to send messages. Let's get on out and check. If you should look to the bottom of your screen, you will observe you changed this group setting to allow all participants to send messages to this group. That's all from us here at the cover page. Thanks much for watching. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe.